Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have TECHNICS EAH-AZ60 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first we have to open settings. Here we have to go into connected devices like I am now, and now we have to go into this gear icon. Here, as you can see, we have to forget our device if we have paired it before, and now we have to scroll all the way down and click connection preferences. Now we have to tap on Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now we have to insert our headphones in our case, the right one and the left one, and we have to close it for 5 seconds minimum. As you can see, the LED light is flashing now 2 times, and now we can remove our headphones from our case and go into pairing mode back again. We've done a soft reset, and now we can check if we can pair with our headphones with our phone. Now we are in pairing mode, and let's check if we can pair. We have to go back, pair on the device, and as you can see, we can. If you still can't connect with your headphones, you have to do a hard reset, and if it doesn't help you, you have to just contact your device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!